Hey guys, this is Automotive Reviews. Check out Shelby Hall when she takes the 2021 Ford Bronco on the trail of the Super Celebration East. The Super Celebration East 2021 brought an impressive array of early generation Broncos for teenies to enjoy, and the Ford Motor Company brought nearly 20 of the new Broncos in the 8 sports for all the experience in a hands-on way for you to enjoy. Now, one of the greatest benefits of attending the event was the attendees could take the sport on the trail rides and give the Bronco a run for his money, along with the performance drivers. Shelby Hall is being one of those. You know, of course, they went for a ride in the Sasquatch and Lux package Badlands, and she was driving on the factory soft top. You know, went for a ride on the highway, and the decibels were clocked at 66, going at 45 miles per hour. They took a ride on the sandy and rock, and then using the sandy rock and desert modes. And in the mountains, they were using the mud and rut, go over any terrain modes, which was quite awesome. So the video is called 2021 Ford Bronco Trail Ride with Shelby Hall. So go on the Bronco Nation website and you can check that out. You can actually click on the video and take a look at it, and you can see the star technology of the video, and you can see the trail turn assist and how it's being used, and you can see the forward low engage the front lockers and turn on the trail turn assist, which you can have on while moving forward, which is definitely a nice feature. Tight switchbacks, you can actually see how it's done. You can see how they go up the slippery steep hill descent, 17 18 degrees, how she showed the trail control and how it works, and when you set the desired speed, this tech keeps it and prevents the momentum from taking over when you let off the brakes. It just, which is quite a cool feature. But you'll get to see it all in this video. So check out this video, the 2021 Ford Bronco Trail Ride with Shelby Hall. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. And remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Hey you guys, this is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. And I appreciate your time. Have an awesome and fantastic day. And thanks for coming by.